How to add bookmarks for nodes in Fusion in DaVinci Resolve. To begin, I created a composition, and let's say I want to bookmark a node so I can easily find it when I'm in another place of the composition. Select the text you want to bookmark. Click on the three dots button and select Add Bookmark, or press Ctrl+D. Set a name for the bookmark and click Add. Now if I hold down the middle mouse button and drag to move to another place, I can just click on the three dots button and choose my bookmark to navigate to that location. To remove a bookmark, click on the three dots button and select Manage Bookmarks. Right-click on your bookmark and select Remove. Now open up the Effects panel and click on Flow. Drag an underlay node to composition and put some nodes in it. Underlays are used to sort the nodes in the composition. When we add an underlay node, DaVinci automatically adds a bookmark for the underlay that we can click on to go to the underlay position. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.